So friends, we are going to solve another problem like debug fix problem. So if you will see, debug and fix the code so that it can print the below pattern. So we have given one code, right, and we have to convert this, we have to edit this code in such a way so that it will print this types of pattern, right? So let's first copy this code. So if you will see, they have given one like a space here, so it should not be here, because if you will put a space here it will give error, like. So let's copy this code, and when we will put this code and let's run this code. So if you will see, when we are running this program, it is not actually stopping, right? Because we will see here we are using I equals 1 and I is less than equal to 4, and here we are using I minus minus. It means that each and every time I will never be right false in this such condition. So here we have to use, so that in first we have to use plus plus so that we can stop this loop, right? So let's run this program. And when we are running this program, after changing the value of your I here, I minus minus to I plus plus, it is giving result like just opposite of this our question. If you see, in our question they have mentioned that we have to print a like pattern like this. If we discuss about this pattern, if you will see, we have to print pattern like this, right? But this code is printing pattern in just reverse of our question, right? Because if you will see, here we have to print whenever, suppose this is our I and this is our j, so we have to print a star whenever our I and j will be same, right? In first case, if you will see, in first line we have to, when our I and j both are 1, then we have to print a star. In another case, you can see, when our I and j both are 2, then we have to print a star. Otherwise, in else case we have to print a space. You will see, in third times we have to print like a star when our both will be same, j and I and j, and so on. So but in question, if you will see, they have mentioned here, in if condition they have mentioned when I is not equal to j. It means they have printed just opposite of this one, right? So we have to change here. So first change here, and when we will put I equals 0, then we have to print a star. Otherwise we have to print a space, right? So let's run this program. After running, we can say it is our output which they have mentioned in question, right? So this is same output which is mentioned in question. So this is program.